Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best drill presses for metal that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Nova 58000 Voyager DVR drill press. If you are in the market for the best drill press for metal, then you absolutely need to take a look at the Nova 5800 Voyager. First of all, it has the most powerful motor on the market today. It can crank out 2 HP, providing that you wire it for 220 volts, which can provide you with a huge range of drilling speeds. This can go as low as 50 RPM for thick metal or all the way up to 5,500 RPM if you are working in a thinner material. While all of this power is awesome, a drill press cannot just plow through whatever material you are working on. If you do that, you are bound to mar your work. Thankfully, this drill press allows for a soft start to help keep your drilling under control. It also has an incredibly smooth operation, thanks in part to its direct drive system. This is also one of the easiest to set drill presses. Thanks in part to an easy-to-read display, you can quickly and automatically select the speed with which you wish to operate. It even has a handy material guide that will help you select the correct speed every time. The Nova is an extremely heavy-duty piece of machinery. Once you have it placed in your workshop, you won't be able to move it again without some difficulty. Thankfully, this also helps to provide a ton of stability no matter how fast it is spinning or the kind of material you are working on. This helps to make it an incredibly stable and accurate drill press. Moving on at number 4, we have the Jet 354170 JDP20MF. While this press is certainly not as powerful as the Nova, it is no slouch either. It features a 1.5 HP motor that can provide up to 4,200 RPM. It can also be dialed down to 150 RPM, which will allow you to drill through pretty much any material you want to, no matter if it is metal or wood. This is, unfortunately, one of the harder to assemble drill presses out there. This is partly because it is so heavy. Thankfully, once it has been assembled, the drill works extremely well. The only drawback for this model is the depth gauge, which is really hard to use accurately. The motor on this drill comes with a quick adjustment motor, which will give you the ability to switch spindle speed really quickly. This speed change can be carried out completely tool-free, which is another big time saver. One of the best features for this drill press is its larger than average table. The table helps to make this a great choice for large-scale projects. It can also rotate all the way up to 45 degrees in either direction. This makes doing any angled drilling on your projects very simple. The table is very easy to adjust. This is because of the quick-release clamp, which doesn't require a ton of pressure to be moved. The table has a high capacity, as it can hold all the way up to 80 pounds. This, in addition to its large size, helps to make this a great drill press for larger size projects. At number 3, we have the Jet 35430 IDP22 Industrial Drill Press. While most drill presses claim to be heavy-duty, this model certainly backs it up. First of all, it is an extremely heavy machine, weighing in at a whopping 364 pounds. If you decide to purchase this drill press, be sure that you have a spot set aside for it, because once you get it there, you won't be moving it anytime soon. This extra weight does come in handy, however, as it makes this one of the steadiest presses you can buy. Part of the reason that this is such a heavy-duty piece of machinery is the top-quality materials that it is made out of. There are no plastic pieces on it, aside from the spindle guard. This makes it a highly durable drill press that should last through pretty much any job that you have in mind. It also has a large 1.5 HP motor, which adds to the overall weight. At number 2, we have the ShopSeries RK7033. This drill, which is made by Rockwell, is small enough to fit on a benchtop, and light enough to be moved around your shop easily. That doesn't mean that it isn't powerful enough to drill metal. On the contrary, its 2/3 HP motor can still provide plenty of power and reach a respectable top RPM of 3,200. Though it has a pretty big speed range, there are only 5 speeds to choose from, so you will be limited as to which RPM you choose. Thankfully, each of these settings will work for a variety of materials, from medium thickness metal to wood and plastics. Thanks to its small size and lightweight design, this is the most budget-friendly options on our list. If you are looking for a high-quality drill for occasional drilling projects and you don't want to spend a ton of money, then this is a great drill. This drill is nice and straightforward to use. The adjustable height and easily maneuvered table make it easy to use it for a variety of sized materials. The 2-inch quill travel helps in making sure that you can get your holes drilled quickly and accurately every time. And finally at number 1, we have the WEN 4225. Not only is this a powerful drill press, but it is also highly accurate. This is thanks in part to the precision laser that helps to mark exactly where you are going to be a drill with a high degree of accuracy. These laser lights make targeting your drilling area a cinch, which helps to make sure that you are more precise in your work. One of the big issues with working at high rates of speed on metal or any other material is that it could cause your drill to overheat. This drill, thankfully, has channels built into the spindle that helps to keep it nice and cool while you are drilling. This will help to make sure that your drill bits and the drill itself don't suffer any long-term damage due to overheating. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.